Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see right here we've got a whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the first option, and also for the notifications. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, we can pick on this device, which simply means that after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your own files. So if you will have some, for example, downloaded or recorded, they will appear right here, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ones, and here, if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. So let me volume it down also. So basically this is how it works. Just tap on it and check it. So if you are happy with your choice, so let's pretend I want to set this holiday as my ringtone, make sure that it is marked, like here, and go back. And as you can see, right now it is notified here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about the incoming call. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.